In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall Netflix on LG TV. Step 1. Go to the home screen. Turn on your LG TV. Press the home button on your remote to bring up the main menu. Step 2. Find Netflix. Navigate through the apps bar at the bottom of the screen to find the Netflix app icon. Step 3. Edit or manage apps. Highlight the Netflix app icon using the remote. Press and hold the Enter or OK button. Or look for the pencil or options icon to enter edit mode. Step 4. Remove Netflix. Once in edit mode, select the X or remove option above Netflix. Confirm the deletion if prompted. And that's how you uninstall Netflix on your LG TV. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to help you out. Have a nice day. Bye.